Have anyone else do that before putting in reverse? I'll at least put it into first. Old Honda tricks. Alright, so this is my dilemma. So obviously I want to start a build or continue a build that can host a full family. Full 4 capacity, me, new little one, Lops, Lena, and Monica. The S14, I'm gonna get prepared for that, but on those hot days in the summer, I know I'm not gonna feel like taking it out and it's gonna be way too hot. Leaves me with like the idea of possibly getting another build, like an IS300, or even like my goal in the next 2 years is to own another AE86. Like that's my goal. By the age of 30, I want to have a house and an AE86. That's even, it could be a shell too, like just bare. That's my goal. That's what I want to build next. Full-fledged build. House comes first, I think. In the meanwhile, I was talking to Monica. I was like, I feel like I should start tinkering with the Civic and putting like just suspension, wheels, some side skirts, lip, just basic stuff. And she said she feels like I shouldn't touch that car because it's just like my daily commuter. It's Old Faithful. And this is when I want to ask you guys. Like, do you think I should get an IS300 type car that's like, or even a GTST? But I feel like there's I go in circles. I go research. Like it starts with an A86. I do this every morning, and then I'm like, I should just get something that's usable now, and then I go to like IS300s, and then I'm just like, I have the same everything that car would bring to me. I have it in the Civic. Like it's brand new, it's comfortable, it has everything that possibly could that I'd want out of a car. Money I would use to get an IS300 or something like that, I could completely get this car to where I would want it to be. Like I don't need to, I could actually probably save money by modding this car out. So I want to know what you guys think. Like, what do you think is a better alternative? I'll show you guys for a second. Yeah, so I've had this car for like, I don't know, 8 months or so. And it's just stock, it's basic stockness. It's, I love it. I love these cars. This is probably by far my favorite car I've owned. It's super clean. I got a Restang shift knob on there. I feel like I should definitely use this car rather than the other ones because you can do a few things. And but I've always wanted an IS300 or like a GTST. And my goal is to thoroughly, in 2 years, this is my goal, is to get an A86. Preferably, I used to want a hatch, but now I want a coupe. But I want another one. Clean, stock, basic, and then build it, like restore it to like where it's basically just chilling, like just stock. And yeah, that's my goal. That's my goal for first of the house. Right now we're at the point where we just need to find the house. Like we're good, we're ready to roll. That's my question. What do we do? You guys feel me? Like, am I crazy? I think that's what we do. Let me know. Post in the comments. Oh, and also, we'll do that next time. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. All I wanted to do was talk to you about that and then clean this car. And I finished one page on Avador, which I'm pumped. And then it's almost, yeah, it's been raining like all day. And I have a couple of videos I have to edit for some folks. So I'm pretty pumped. It's a good day. We're getting a lot of stuff done. And getting any page done. Like as soon as I get one page done, and it's not even colored, it's just designed. Like all the illustrations done. Getting one page illustrated is like a huge accomplishment. Every time I finish one, I'm like, Civic Gang Gang or something else. It doesn't even have to be IS300. Like, post in the comments what you think I should do. I already have this. I own this. Well, kind of. Bank owns this. But I'm close. Also, you think I should start using this camera more often? This is like the camera I use for all my cinematic stuff with a different lens. Like my cinematic, anything that looks really, really good is shot on a 90 macro lens, which is, I love it lens. I love that lens. It's so good. But I've been using my G7X, which is good enough, but like the audio on this I know is so much better. Like I miss my 5500, my Nikon D5500. That was the best because this one doesn't have a flip up. I can't see if I'm filming right now, but I miss those days where nice hefty rig. So maybe we'll get one back down the road. I could probably get a used 5500 for cheap. Old Faithful, man, I miss that camera so much. We did so much work together. But with that said, guys, I love you. I'm gonna call that success. Car's clean. Shouldn't get dirty here. That'd be fine. We might go on a walk later and start scooting again. I've been getting a little better at the tailies. Love you so much. Holla at your boy. Let me know in the comments below. And then also, make sure you like this video, cause you know what I'm saying. I love you guys. Holla at your boy. Alright, we're gonna wait for Lena, but today's challenge, every day's challenge, is we must do a tail whip a day. Where are you? Alright. 3 bunny hops, 1 tail whip a day keeps the doctor away. Alright, ready?
Wait, 3 bunny hops for me?
Yeah, 3 bunny hops.
I'm your tail whip?
Yeah. We're gonna get it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. 23 weeks, baby. Taking it. Woo! Love you. I'm gonna continue this video because I'm still editing and I uploaded it and then one of the songs didn't work. I got flagged. But anyway, so after further deliberation, there are parts on order. And I think I'm gonna build it up to be performance first. And then I was gonna do like, make it look cool first, but I was like, you know what? We'll go performance first because then we can have fun with it. Do some like autocrossing, HPD events maybe down the road. So gonna look at suspension all around, like sway bars. I'm gonna get rear sway bars. I was doing some research. If you upgrade to Eibach rear sway bar 22 millimeter, makes a huge difference in cornering. And then springs, apparently to do, what is suggested is to do like just springs so you have your active dampening. So with that, those are the first moves. We're gonna start this from ground up stock, first owner. I think I'm the only person that owns this car. So, but yeah, nothing. I'll keep my 240 to look cool, but this car would be like straight performance. The only challenge is when it comes to wheels. I'm gonna get torn because I obviously want it to look like baller. So when I'm gonna have to come to a decision. My goal is to get some like OG. What are they? They're like Bramlights 57Fs. They're like Nismo/Raze wheels. Those are like my ideal wheels that I'd love to get on them. Let's see if I can find them. Hopefully I put this in. But yeah, so more of a track build. I'm feeling it. Just because I can do things with it. Like it's cool to hang and mob in the streets and like do. I don't even like shows. I never like shows. I want to drive. And we've drifted. I'm curious, maybe we'll go down like grip. I've never tried to keep grip. I don't know what that feels like. And I know that would be a new experience. So, and I said I wanted to do that with the EK, but things got shifted. But with this car, just tinker at it. Like so all suspension first. Like make sure it's dialed before anything. Then we'll do like lip side skirts, all that jazz. But for now, just have fun. So we'll do suspension, then wheels. That's the first step. Stuff that makes sense. I don't want to just throw stupid money at it. I want it to make sense, and It'll be a purpose-built car. So let me know what you guys think of that. It's kind of the decision I came to. I know I'm supposed to hear you guys' opinions, but that's my idea, man. I think that's what I want to do. So I'm excited. Some parts are on order. I'm about to go order the rear sway bar, so they should be in, and we'll get rocking. It should be easy installations, nothing too crazy. But I'm excited. I'm excited to just like tinker. Nothing crazy. Really don't want to. The thing is, I want to keep that car clean and like just like reliable, like clean, simple, tight, reliable, performance based. Oh, I know. Here we go. We'll do exhaust after wheels because I want to exhaust. I have to figure out because like I don't want it to sound stupid. But I want the performance gains because I've heard if you do small modifications, you can have a lot of gains with it. Like I was talking to the guys at RT Tuning a few weeks ago for other reasons, but they were telling me that like small modifications you can get like over 3, or was it, what did he say? He said something along the lines where you can get major gains out of that car. But then again, I have to balance economic, like it being gas friendly. But I'm sure like a lot of the new cars have, I'm rambling now at this point, but a lot of cars have like, you can turn your tune off and on easily. So pumped, kind of excited. There we go, on the channel. You guys, how about boy? I'm about to go throw this clip in because I have to re-edit the video anyway. So I think I'm pumped. A lot of good stuff coming. But I love you guys. Boys.